Hello and welcome to episode number 10 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next feature is going to be a dynamic minimap. So when you're creating your levels, you just create them the size of the screen and it's automatically going to scan the borders and add the room for you. So it's going to make it easier for you to create your maps. Then the next feature that you will work on and learn to implement is an item pickup sphere. Right now it's just the effect of opening the item sphere. Now when creating the sphere, you're going to learn how to use the animation player node in the Godot game engine. Alright, this was all for episode number 10. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 11. See you there!